If you drink turmeric water every day, this will happen to your body. Did you know that one simple ingredient can completely transform your health? Could something so common help prevent serious illnesses and even improve your quality of life? And if I told you that there is an ancient secret that thousands of people are already using to achieve better health and well-being, would you believe me? Turmeric, an ancient spice known as nature's gold, is gaining ground for its surprising benefits. From improving the immune system to preventing problems like heart and digestive diseases, turmeric has been shown to be powerful in many aspects of health. In this video, you will discover the reasons why drinking warm water with turmeric every morning can be a turning point in your life. Get ready to learn incredible facts that could change your routine and your health forever. Let's get started. 1. The secret to prevent prostate cancer is in your cup. Turmeric is known for its potential to prevent serious diseases, including prostate cancer. Recent research indicates that its active compounds, such as curcumin, have anti-cancer properties. These substances have the ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even promote their destruction. A study published in Journal of Cancer Research highlighted that turmeric can help protect the body against radiation-induced tumors, as well as reduce the risk of developing new tumors. But how does this happen? Curcumin acts directly on the DNA of cancer cells, preventing them from multiplying uncontrollably. Furthermore, it combats inflammatory processes, which are risk factors for cancer. Although promising, it is essential to remember that turmeric consumption must be combined with a balanced diet and healthy habits to achieve the best results. And always consult a healthcare professional before introducing large amounts of this spice into your routine. Wouldn't it be amazing to include something so simple and natural in your life and at the same time protect your body in such a powerful way? End the pain of arthritis using this simple trick. Arthritis pain can be debilitating, affecting the quality of life of millions of people around the world. Turmeric, with its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, has proven to be a powerful ally for relieving these pains. Curcumin, the main active compound in turmeric, acts directly on the body's inflammatory processes, reducing swelling and joint pain. Research carried out in National Center for Biotechnology Information showed that people with rheumatoid arthritis who consumed turmeric regularly experienced a significant improvement in symptoms. In addition to reducing inflammation, turmeric also fights free radicals that cause cell damage, helping to preserve joint health. Imagine being able to alleviate your pain without resorting to heavy medications or medications with intense side effects. Consuming warm water with turmeric can be a natural and effective way to regain your mobility and comfort. And the best? It's something simple, affordable, and can be incorporated into your daily routine without major complications. Are you ready to experience this natural relief? 3. How turmeric strengthens your immunity and protects you. A strong immune system is your body's most important line of defense against infection and disease. And this is exactly where turmeric shines. It contains antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal agents that help strengthen your immunity naturally. The curcumin present in turmeric is known to stimulate the production of proteins that reinforce the body's barriers against external invaders, such as viruses and bacteria. Additionally, it fights chronic inflammation, which can weaken the immune system over time. Studies published in Immunological Research show that turmeric can reduce the frequency and severity of colds and flu. Another incredible benefit is its ability to modulate the immune response, helping the body fight infections more efficiently. Drinking warm turmeric water every day could be the key to getting through flu seasons without any major worries. But remember, healthy habits such as good nutrition and quality sleep are essential to enhance these effects. Have you ever imagined not having to worry so much about frequent colds? 4. Discover how turmeric can help you control diabetes. Turmeric is more than just a tasty spice. It can also be a powerful ally in controlling diabetes. Its main active substance, curcumin, has shown promising results in balancing blood sugar levels. Studies carried out in Journal of Endocrinology indicate that turmeric improves the sensitivity of cells to insulin, facilitating the processing of glucose by the body. This is key for people with type 2 diabetes, where insulin resistance is a common problem. Additionally, turmeric helps reduce inflammation that can worsen diabetes-related complications, such as cardiovascular problems and neuropathies. Another important benefit is turmeric's ability to enhance the effects of medications used to treat the condition, making the treatment even more effective. Incorporating warm turmeric water into your daily routine is a simple way to support your metabolic health. However, it is essential that any change in diet is made with medical supervision, especially for people who are already using medication. Would you be willing to try this natural solution to improve your quality of life? 5. Wounds and infections. The natural healing power of turmeric. Turmeric has been recognized for centuries as a powerful natural antiseptic and antibacterial agent. It has the ability to accelerate wound healing and protect the body against infections. This happens because its bioactive compounds, especially curcumin, have properties that fight harmful microorganisms and reduce local inflammation. In cases of minor cuts or burns, applying turmeric powder directly to the affected area can help prevent infections and promote faster recovery. Additionally, drinking warm turmeric water regularly can strengthen the immune system, making the body more resistant to bacterial and fungal infections. Research published in Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine highlight that turmeric is effective in reducing skin infections and protecting injured tissues. If you are looking for a natural and affordable alternative to take care of your health, turmeric is a great starting point. Imagine being able to trust something so simple to treat minor wounds and keep your body protected. But remember, for more serious cases, it is always essential to seek medical advice. Are you ready to explore the healing potential of this natural gold? 6. Reduce your cholesterol without medicine with this simple recipe. High cholesterol is one of the biggest risk factors for cardiovascular disease, but turmeric can help change that. Studies indicate that the curcumin present in turmeric helps reduce levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL. Curcumin works by blocking the absorption of cholesterol by the liver and improving the metabolism of fats in the body. Research published in the journal Phytotherapy Research show that regular consumption of turmeric can lead to a significant reduction in total blood cholesterol levels. Furthermore, turmeric also reduces inflammation in blood vessels, helping to prevent problems such as arteriosclerosis and hypertension. Drinking warm turmeric water every day is a simple and natural way to promote cardiovascular health without the need for medication, especially in the early stages. But be careful. People with more serious problems or who are already taking medication should always consult a doctor before making significant changes to their diet. Have you ever thought about how such a simple attitude can have such a huge impact on your heart health? 7. The key to loss weight is in a warm drink. Losing weight is not always an easy task, but turmeric can be a powerful ally in this process. Curcumin, its main active compound, works by regulating fat metabolism and helping to burn calories. Studies show that turmeric is capable of reducing the formation of new blood vessels in adipose tissue, a process known as angiogenesis, which contributes to fat storage. Additionally, it helps control inflammation in the body, which may be related to difficulty losing weight. Drinking warm water with turmeric daily aids digestion, improves nutrient absorption, and reduces the feeling of bloating, factors that directly impact weight control. Research published in European Journal of Nutrition pointed out that regular consumption of turmeric can lead to a significant reduction in body mass index and waist circumference. But it's important to remember that turmeric is not a magic solution. Combined with a balanced diet and physical exercise, it can enhance results and contribute to healthy and sustainable weight loss. Are you ready to take this step towards your well-being? 8. Protect your mind and prevent Alzheimer's naturally. Alzheimer's is one of the most challenging diseases today, affecting millions of people around the world. Turmeric, with its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant action, has shown potential in protecting the brain against damage that leads to cognitive decline. Research indicates that curcumin can reduce inflammation in the brain, one of the main factors associated with Alzheimer's. Additionally, turmeric helps eliminate the formation of beta-amyloid plaques, which are harmful deposits linked to disease progression. A study published in Journal of Alzheimer's Disease revealed that regular consumption of turmeric is associated with improved cognitive function and memory. Another incredible benefit is turmeric's ability to increase oxygen flow to the brain, which contributes to better brain health and may slow the progression of neurodegenerative conditions. Drinking warm water with turmeric is a simple and effective way to include this natural protection in your daily routine. Although promising, turmeric should be part of a comprehensive approach that includes a healthy diet, exercise, and medical monitoring. Are you ready to adopt this habit that can protect your mind in the long run? 9. Detox your liver and improve your overall health. The liver is one of the most important organs in the body, responsible for filtering toxins and promoting detoxification of the body. Turmeric is known for its detoxifying effect, helping to protect and improve liver health. The curcumin present in turmeric stimulates the production of essential enzymes in the liver, which are responsible for breaking down and eliminating toxins from the body. Additionally, turmeric reduces inflammation and protects liver cells against damage caused by harmful substances, such as alcohol and processed foods. Studies published in World Journal of Gastroenterology indicate that regular consumption of turmeric can prevent liver diseases, such as fatty liver and hepatitis, by improving blood circulation and promoting the regeneration of liver cells. Drinking warm turmeric water daily is a simple and natural way to support liver functions and ensure it works efficiently. But remember, turmeric should be seen as a complement to a healthy lifestyle, which includes a balanced diet and reducing exposure to toxic substances. Have you ever thought about how taking better care of your liver can impact your overall health? 10. Say goodbye to digestive discomfort with the power of turmeric. Digestive problems, such as bloating, gas, and abdominal discomfort, are quite common and can disrupt everyday life. Turmeric is widely recognized for its properties that promote healthy digestion and alleviate these symptoms. One of the main benefits of turmeric is to stimulate the production of bile by the gallbladder, facilitating the digestion of fats and improving the absorption of nutrients. Additionally, curcumin helps reduce inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract, making it effective in treating conditions such as gastritis and ulcerative colitis. Studies published in Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology show that regular consumption of turmeric can alleviate symptoms of inflammatory bowel diseases and prevent recurring digestive discomfort. By drinking warm water with turmeric, you not only improve your digestion, but also promote the balance of intestinal flora, essential for good overall health. Incorporating this habit into your daily routine is a natural and affordable way to say goodbye to discomfort after meals. Are you ready to adopt this simple secret and transform the way your body processes food? Taking care of your health is an investment in the well-being of your future, and turmeric can be a great ally on this journey. Incorporating warm water with turmeric into your daily routine is a simple but powerful attitude that can transform your life in many ways. From protecting your body against serious illnesses to improving everyday aspects like digestion and energy, this ancient spice has a lot to offer. But remember, healthy habits go beyond a single solution. They include a balanced diet, regular exercise, and medical consultations to ensure you are on the right path. Turmeric is an invitation to adopt a more natural and conscious life. Why not start taking that step towards a healthier version of yourself today? Your health will thank you, and the future you always wanted is within your reach. The choice is in your hands.